Friends, start with the short example, page number 36, question number second. Already we solved first example. This is the question number second. Cost of the groundnuts is directly proportional to its weight. Means there is the direct proportion in between or direct variation in between the cost of the groundnut and the weight of the groundnut. I will say that cost directly varies with the weight of the groundnut. Then if the cost of the 5 kg groundnut is 450, means cost of 5 kg groundnut is 450, then what is the cost of 1 quintal groundnut? 1 quintal means 100 kg. 1 quintal means 100 kg. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. You have to find out the cost of the 100 kg groundnut. So what is given? 5 kg groundnut cost is 450. What is the cost of the 100 kg groundnut? That you have to find out. So you have to use the direct variation property and you have to solve the example. First of all, you have to find out the K, constant of proportionality, and after that you have to find out the value and you have to find out the cost of the 100 kg groundnut. Then I will say that let the cost of the groundnut is given. What they are saying, cost of the groundnut is directly varies with its weight. So you have to consider this as X and this as Y. So I will say that let the cost of the groundnut be X and weight of the groundnut be Y. What I am saying, cost and weight you have to consider as X and Y. So I will say that let the cost of the groundnut be X rupees and weight of the groundnut is Y kg. Then what is given? They are saying that cost of the groundnut is directly varies with the weight of the groundnut. So I will say that X is directly varies with Y. I will write in the proportion form or in the form of the direct proportion. I will say that X is directly varies with Y. So this is the alpha. This is the alpha. So I will say that X is directly proportional to Y or X is directly varies with Y. So you have to remove this alpha. At that time you have to give the equal to sign. You have to write the constant of proportionality and you have to write Y as it is. You have to say that X is equal to K into Y. So this is the standard equation, X is equal to K into Y. So the whatever be the given thing, you have to write cost of groundnut 450 when weight is 5 kg. You have to find out the cost of the groundnut when weight is 100 kg. So first find the value of K. You have to find out this value of K by taking the value of X as 450 and Y as 5. So I will put X as 450, Y as 5. So I will say that X is equal to K into Y. From equation 1 I will say that X is equal to K into Y. X is equal to 450 into K into 5. You have to transpose this multiplied by 5 this side. That becomes divided by 5. Then 450 upon 5 is equal to 90. Therefore K is equal to 90. Therefore I will say that the constant of proportionality K is equal to 90. If K is equal to 90, you have to find out X and Y is equal to 100 kg. Then you have to put the value in the equation 1. X is equal to K into Y. I will say that X is equal to K into Y. X as it is you have to write because you have to find out the X. You have to put the value of K as 90. You have to put the value of Y. 90 multiplied by 100 is equal to, you have to say that 9000. Therefore cost of the 100 kg groundnut is 9000. Or I will say that cost of 1 quintal groundnut will be 9000 rupees. In this way you have to solve this example. This is the example of direct variation. I think you understand this example. So write this example in the classwork notebook properly. Thank you.